Hello, my name is Pakin Antavan. My nickname Meung Nao. You can call me Pakin. I am 20 years old. I have come from Thailand, but now I live in Chiang Rai. I live in Chiang Rai. I study Mea Farong University, and my subject is digital business and technology. Yeah, I have uh, I have experience work. I used to work at night security guard in Koh Samui. My main duty was to check this area, make sure everything was safe, uh, and had an unusual situation. This job this job helped me be more careful, possible, and came under pressure. Yep. Uh, I want to job the work and travel program because I want to get the international work experience and improve my English skill. Yeah, and challenge myself. Step out of my and step out of my comfort zone and learn how to work with people from different culture. Yep. I want to next I want to American to know that Thai people are very uh respectful and hardworking. Is Thailand have beautiful tradition like Songkran festival, Loi Krathong festival, and the Thailand greeting call. Why? I can show you this say why in English it say hi and thank you. Yeah. I I think the most challenging part will be the adapt to a new culture and using English every day. But I am ready to learn and improve myself. Uh, my friend and family. Next, my friend and family would describe me as responsible and calm and easy to work with. I am focused and careful and friendly. Yeah, my friendly. Uh, I am applying the from the lifeguard position. Because I am interested in safety work. My experience my experience and security guard uh, teach teach me to stand learn and protect people. Uh, I understand that lifeguard must be responsible and ready in emergency situation. Yeah, and ready situation. Mm, I am I think I want to is I am is hard work hard I am hardworking for sure and will willing to learn. I will always follow safety rule. Yeah, I will follow safety rule and do my best to protect guests and support my team. Yeah, I can. Will confirm I can start work is May 20 and finish work on August 50. It's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.